What's the meaning of commodious? Commodious. Commodious.
Commodious. Commodious. Commodious refers to something that is spacious, roomy, and convenient. It is often used to describe a place or space that provides ample room or is well suited for its intended purpose. For example, a commodious living room would be large and comfortable, with plenty of seating options. A commodious kitchen would have ample counter space and storage areas. Overall, commodious suggests a sense of ease and comfort associated with having enough space and convenience to go about one's business without feeling cramped or constrained.